Hello everyone, welcome. This is an edition of a preview of our very special pieces. So you're going to see some of the pieces that we're going to be doing the very first time, and I'm really excited to be showing you these. So we are going to start with a piece that's in pure cotton and it's woven with Sachi Zari. Yes, it's a pure Sachi Zari suit. So maybe some of you may not know about it, but we do keep and make these pieces on order. These are basically pure silver zari which has been woven with these fabrics. They're also silver zari plated with gold, which are also used. So depending on the Sona Rupa effect that we are trying to give, we keep Sachi Zari pieces. Sometimes we also do saris, and these pieces, the prices are on request, and you can check with us on them. But starting for now, we're going to do a Sachi Zari piece because I did want to kind of show you these exclusive pieces so that you know that you can find such pieces at Neve. So this one that I'm going to be showing you is in pure cotton. Now pure cotton woven with real silver zari, Sachi Zari work, which is what we call it. It's rare and it's very difficult to make because cotton का ताना होता है, बना होता है, उसमें जरी डलती है, मीना डलती है, तो it's a very intensive work. Very few weavers in Banaras today do this kind of work, but we are fortunate to have them as a part of a cluster, and therefore we can do these pieces for you. And I'm going to show you the first one. Now this one, as you can see, this yes, so this is the first piece that I'm ever actually showing in a video, which is Sachi Zari, but it's it's a must. And to see these pieces, these are pieces of art. So buy or not buy is one thing, but just to know that these kind of pieces are made, and the skill that's required. Now this is the dupatta that you see. This is pure cotton. Now let me show it to you up and close. So this one, all the zari that you're seeing here, including this. So this is of course silver in silver shade, but all this is pure silver zari, which is electroplated in a gold. So gold plating hoti hai in pe, and they are used in this. And of course in this piece you see a lot of meena, which is the beauty. And this is of course something which is completely class apart, and we do get requests for such pieces, which is why we have them from time to time. And I'm now going to show this to you so you can see. And even if it's Sachi Zari and pure cotton, it's not a delicate piece. It will last you forever, and I really mean it, forever. So I have my grandmother's lehenga, which is a historical piece because of the history behind it, but which is almost now 150 years old, in pure silver, and it's as good. I have worn it for my wedding and many times, and I do plan to show it to you someday. But anyways, coming back to this, so this is our pure silver Sachi Zari suit. Now this is a complete suit, and I'm going to show this to you. The beauty is of course the the entire flower that's been done with it, and you can see the jal. So we rarely open this piece, but now I'm trying, so you can hear the crackling of the you can hear the crackling of the paper. Yes, when it's finished, we do put tissue papers inside. Now this is the piece. This is the piece. You can see this gorgeous flow of meena and zari all over it. Have a look. This is pure cotton. I'm going to show this to you up and close. This is something of a rarity, and the beauty is that we do Sachi Zari sarees even, and you can check with us for that. But those are of course always a bit dressy. Now this one is so elegant that I would wear for any grand event, and it would work. But I would also wear it for a wedding, and it would work. So this one has that beauty, and that's what the beauty with Sachi Zari pieces in cotton is, that they do last, and they do have this very unique, very pretty look. And you can see this piece. I'm going to show it to you up and close once again by folding this, and then I'm going to show you. Okay, before that I'm going to show you the kurta. So this is the kurta, which has spread out buttas, and look at this. The pink is it's a light shade of pink, not very dark. look at this. So this is the niche aanchal. All of this that you see is of course real silver zari. So ये पूरा zari है, or whatever zari is there, that's all pure silver zari. So this is the kurta with all this buta at the back and the front. It's all over the place. Now I'm going to show this to you. Try showing this to you with this. So now you can see. Let me just keep my dupatta aside for a minute anyway. So look at this. This is the kurta that you see, and this is the dupatta. Now this one is, of course, many of you say ki bhai cotton mein, or how will how will it look. Here it is for you to see of sachi zari pieces in pure cotton. These are classic, very rare pieces. Absolutely, I mean, I have no iota of doubt that this one is a collector's piece for sure. And you can see the price is on request. You can DM us if you're interested, and we'll give the details of this piece. And of course the bottom. Now the bottom in this there is no zari. This is all jacquard weaving, but it's a design which kind of completely matches. So this is the bottom. Let me show it to you in close. And you will not find pictures of this piece on our page, because we kind of rarely show these kind of pieces in a video. But yes, here it is. So this is the bottom, and now I'm going to try putting the kurta in the front for you to see. And this is it. So this is the kurta. This is the kurta, this is the dupatta, and this is the bottom, and this is the entire suit, as subtle and as beautiful as it can be. So I hope the beauty of this one is clear and it's visible. I mean, I can see it here, but I hope the video does justice to this one. So this is one, and moving on to the next. As I said, I intend to keep my promise of making this one very special for you. So anyways, so we are going to be at the very end doing some classic pieces, but let's start with this one, with this silk one. This is a new edition that has just come. Now these are, again, you will see, these are made on a special loom, silk by silk, with satin, with tanchui. These are, you can see the weaving, how clear it is, how the meena is, sheen, softness, all there. Let me just show you it's a very soft fabric, of course, and it's slightly difficult to make because of the silk by silk and this intense meena work that is happening. Now this is the kurta of this piece, and I'm going to show you the dupatta. These are from our newest collection, which is from the tanchui silk. And yes, this is the bottom, as you can see. This is the kurta. So this is the bottom, this is the kurta, and now I'm going to show you the dupatta, which has this beautiful meena work and self design. Now this one is real, and the width is lesser. So all of you looking for less width, this one is for it. So why is the width lesser? Because you can see the heavy kurta and the bottom. So this one is a very sleek look, have it nicely fitted. Okay, now let's show you the dupatta for. Yeah, this is the dupatta. So you can see the dupatta. I'm going to fold it as well. So nicely fitted with this, very smart, because there is design on the kurta, there is design on the bottom, and this very nicely, beautifully fitted kurta, and pants, or even churidars. I think in this one, it's such a classic that it's worth kind of going for a churidar, which will last you forever. So look at this. This is the dupatta, and a very sleek, very wearable dupatta. This is the dupatta, and let's go for the entire look. This is, yeah. So this is the kurta, this is the dupatta, and I'm going to try showing you the bottom as well. So yes, it's a bit tricky, but let's try. So let's see. Yes, now I hope this is clear. Okay, let's do this. Let's fold it and show it to you. I do it in sitting so that I can kind of show you these close-ups, which are Sometimes not possible when you're standing, but yeah. So I think this is next best to us meeting. I would have loved to meet you all, and hopefully someday here in Mumbai. Yeah, so this is the, yes, now I think it's better for you guys to see. So yes, this is the kurta, this is the dupatta, and this beautiful self patterned bottom. Now here is the complete outfit for you to see. Very graceful. I mean, I can imagine so many situations, of course, from a wedding to a cocktail to an evening out to a formal dinner to your kids events. You can wear it in many ways. All these beautiful classic pieces, I like to wear them in different situations. Anyways, this entire set is for 29,800, all in pure silk, including the bottom. And I will show you colors in this now. Yes, so I'm going to now show you the colors. Now this one is a beautiful cream that we also often look for, and this is the cream. I'm going to show you this color. One sec. Okay, let's go for it. Let's open this. Okay, let me open this. Now this one is the kurta here that you can see. This is a classic gold, Banarsi gold. You can see because of the silk, of the superior quality of the silk, you can see the sheen, you can see how elegant they look. And now, okay, so this is the kurta, as you can see. Yes, this is the piping from the, of course this is not the piping, this is just because these are made together. So this is the colors that are put. So I would love to someday do a live from one of our looms, once this COVID is over, and show you what goes on behind making of these pieces. This is the kurta in gold, this is the bottom self completely, and now I'm going to open up and show you the dupatta. So this one's the dupatta. Look at this work, and let's go for it. It has the self pattern, very classic color, of course, gold. So if you don't have this kind of gold in your wardrobe, I would say this is like a really a classic piece, because these colors, they work so well in many ways. Let me just try. Sorry and thank you for your patience and watching us week after week in our videos. Yes, now it's done well. So yes, look at this. This is the dupatta. I hope you can see this is the down part. This is, look at this, look at the work, look at the finish. Let me show you the back. Here is the back. Sleek dupattas, a must kind of have, because of that very reason, because I know many of you constantly request us for suits which are somewhat sleeker, mainly the dupatta. Yes, mainly the dupatta. So yes, this is for you to see the kurta, and the bottom. Here is the entire suit, a classic gold from our exclusive Tanchui suit collection, which is 29,800 for the entire suit. This is a classic gold. We have one more color coming up. Yo, it's now, this one is in a contrast. I'm going to show you the kurta first. Okay, so this is the kurta. Let's open this one. Hope I can show it to you in a way. Yes, so this you can see is a complete pink, and when these pieces have arrived, it's so beautiful, the back and the front, that my team almost asked me ki ma'am back kaun sa, or it's so clean, it's so neat that it's sometimes almost confusing to make out, as in this one, because it has been folded ulta. It has been folded ulta, because yes, now look at this, and now you can really see the colors pop out. You can see how the pink in shades, there is a contrast, and how clean. Now I don't even have to show you how clean the back is. Now this is the beauty of this piece. the finesse and the skill, and of course the fabric and the sheen, all of that is there. But look at this work that is there. So this is actually the front. What I started showing you was the back, and I was wondering ki, this is not what I had seen, this, here it is. So this is the kurta, and now I'm going to show you the dupatta. This is in a gold. So this is like, so if you want, of course, that touch of this ivory and gold and classic cream color, but you'd like a contrast, then this one is also a great option. Let's fold this for you to see. Look at this work, the finesse again here in the Meena that has been done. And yes, so this along with this, okay, yes, so this put up in a way, yeah. Look at this color, look at the grace, and I'm going to show you the bottom, which is in this gold. So here is the bottom, 29,800 for these suit sets. Absolutely pieces of collection. There's no doubt about it. Here it is. This is the last color in this one, and this is what I wanted to show you. I think these are beautiful, and of course all the story of the colors and the weaving and the making, but I hope you like it as well. Now coming to two more. Now this is a classic collection that some of you may have seen it in our videos, but many of you have requested for videos again, and therefore I'm showing this one to you again. Now you can see, because a lot of you said ki उसमें बहुत clear नहीं था, so I wanted to do this again and show it to you. Some of you may have even gotten this. This is from our classic summer collection. This is the softest fabric that you will wear. I can bet about it, really. It's so soft, it's so wearable, it's all season, and really a must have in summers because of the softness and the feel and the look. I know some of you have gotten all colors in this. Yes, that also is true. But this one is really unique because of the work, which is all in silver. So many of you are constantly looking for something different other than the gold. So this one is in a silver, as you can see it. It's all in karwa. But what's really unique is the fabric in itself. It's very, very soft. And just do a straight kurta, and of course the dupatta. So just do a straight kurta and wear it simply, or make some ghera. That's also way, so a summer evening and something like this is a perfect. Now this one is a linen georgette. You can see the dupatta here. It's a linen georgette again with this broad border. But these dupattas are really wearable, very, very manageable, because they're very soft. And look at this. You can, I hope it's easily visible to you. The both borders on both the sides, karwa work all over. And let's see if I can do this. So yes, and this set. So this one is from a classic summer silk suits. You can see this edition, and this is part of the Rue collection. And this one is a gorgeous shade. It's a mint color, and these are for 20,800. The bottom is also there. Here I'm not showing it to you, but it can be in a silver or it can be in the base color. Both options are possible. 20,800 for the entire suit. Tassels have been done. So in case now, if you wanted any other color with Meena, then we have the white, the classic white. So many of you asking us for beautiful suits in summer for classic white, and this one, and I don't even need to say it, because I think even in the screen, no matter how bad these phone videos are, but even in the screen you can see how they look. So all our live videos, all of these videos, they're all done on phone, because professional cameras, sometimes they kind of change the colors and things like that. So we prefer to do it on the phone. And you can see the suit. It's, and of course the softness and the the smoothness of the fabric. I hope it's visible how it falls. So sexy, if I may say. Yes, it is. This fabric is super beautiful. Look at this, and I'm gonna fold this. Yes, so this is one. This is of course the piece, and now I'm going to show you the dupatta with it, with the tassels. I think the charm is so much more. Let's open it and let's show you this dupatta. Let's show you this dupatta. We can also do a folding, but the white, the beauty. Now what's one thing more special about it is that this piece is dyeable. So yes, it is dyeable. While I love the white, but a lemon color or a pink color, if that's what you're looking for, you know, a pastel pink or a lemon green, we already have. Even you know, a sky blue, I think it would look beautiful. That's also possible. That's also possible. And we could definitely look at this. Look at this. I just wanted to show you how beautifully it falls and how rich this fabric looks. And this is the look. Now you can, yes. So here's the look. Here's the dupatta. Here's the kurta. Must have in white, but if not, then yes, we can do it in a lemon, in a light pink, or in a sky blue. The Meena would stand out equally, but I love the white personally. So yes, here it is. And now moving on to the next, we're going to be doing, let's do the silk suit. We have this silk suit that I really wanted to show you. This is a gorgeous shade of purple. So here it is, a shade of purple with this Karwa Butta in Sona Rupa. Now here you can see the entire Sona Rupa work, and it only makes sense that agar Sona Rupa hai Karwa, you should always see the back of how clean this is. This is the highest quality of Katan silk. Favorite, you know, for evening wear, for darker, you know, looks. It's beautiful for anything, you know, which is a little formal and you want to wear that swish swoosh silk. I call the Katan silk a swish swoosh whoop because of the noise that it makes. It's so, you know, it's so almost, you know, nostalgic for me. As I keep saying it, because you always can tend to kind of remember your mother's wearing these. This is also a pure with woven along with the kurta, the same fabric, not because we do a lot of chinyas, but this one is a pure katan bottom with this. So it's a katan by katan. This is the, so let me show this to you. This is the kurta. This is the bottom, and now time for the dupatta, which is another classic because of the Karwa Butta. And yes, this look, this is a very traditional Sona Rupa. बहुत छोटे छोटे बूटे हैं बीच में, and you know, the silk is as soft as lust. There, not the lust. Okay, now that's a jumble of wonderful words, but yes. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Let's take a straight forward. So now you can see this piece. You can see, okay, let me fold it again because I think the entire beauty of these pieces are these should be folded perfectly. Yes, now you can see them. You can see the tassels. You can see the richness. Now with this kurta, now it's visible. So this kurta, this dupatta, and this bottom is the entire set. So yeah, I hope you like it. This is a beautiful color. This again is it, yeah, this is again 29,800. But what I wanted to also show you was the sleeves. Yes, so there is also this fabric, you know, for the sleeves, which has been woven separately, you know, to give that extra zing. It also has this border, this line. Now you can of course use it for your sleeve, you can use it at the side, you can use these lines in some way, but if not, then you can of course have a plain silk and you can make a blouse out of this one. It would look ultra smart with all the stripes. But I think, you know, just why not use these beautiful borders on the panel, at the side, on the sleeves in some way. You know, here it is. So this beautiful purple color silk, 29,800, and here we go. And now the two pieces that I wanted to show you, much in demand. Here is, you know, this is in our Kora silk. So one thread is of Kora, one thread is of silk. Look at this, look at this. They have been so much, because I know earlier we had done a couple of colors in this. They were so much in demand. So this is basically Kora, and there is one thread of silk. This is done in Sona Rupa